Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study from first aid. First, familiarize yourself with the book's layout, including its high-yield sections and appendices. This foundational step helps you navigate the vast amount of information efficiently. Next, learn to integrate first aid with your lectures and question banks. This multi-resource approach reinforces concepts and improves retention. Finally, we'll cover active learning techniques to maximize your study time. Active recall is crucial for long-term memory. Instead of passively rereading, quiz yourself on the material. Flashcards, especially digital ones like Anki, are excellent for this. Combine this with spaced repetition, reviewing information just before you forget it. This method significantly boosts retention. Regularly doing practice questions also serves as a powerful form of active recall, identifying areas needing more attention. To truly master the content, integrate first aid with all your study materials. After reviewing a topic in first aid, immediately cross-reference it with your lecture notes or a more detailed textbook. Consider watching a relevant video resource to solidify understanding. Then, tackle practice questions related to that topic. This comprehensive approach ensures you understand the concepts deeply and can apply them in various contexts. Creating a structured study schedule is vital. Dedicate specific, consistent time each day to review first aid, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Focus on high-yield topics that frequently appear on exams, ensuring you cover the most important material thoroughly. Remember, consistency is key to building a strong knowledge base over time. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.